Unwatchable V here with a Connect video, and this is my Connect's car that I've recently made, and I'm planning on destroying to build other things because I've got that's a set, but I've got something else. It's a limo. But anyway, I'm a bit run down on energy and breath, so sorry about quality of this video. I'm also very tired, but yeah, I don't really have any other time to do this. So let's go over the features, and then I will, well, actually, I'll show you what this is first, and this is going to be pretty unedited. I really can't be bothered to edit this. So yeah, well, this Hot Wheels car is what I based my Connect's car off. So yeah, this is, I believe, a Nissan 300ZX, I believe. I'll have a check. How have I got it right way round? Don't know if you can see that, but it says Nissan 300ZX TT, which stands for Twin Turbo. So this is what I've based my car on. I just sort of, when I got this car with one of my friends, I fell in love with it and wanted to remake it. Now it goes slightly into shot. Don't know why I'm phoning. Alright, there you go. I just paused the video to get my phone to focus. So yeah, I'll remove the car and pull this up. So like with most of my cars now, it has working suspension. I might make that in slow-mo and redo it. So yeah, has a little wing or spoiler, which is that bit just past my finger. It's got a rear bumper sort of coming out, again like on a real thing, or real old car. This sort of section here is where the rear lights and things will go, but I don't really have parts to make him look like that, or bright colours just look weird. But anyway, I have this sort of building technique to make the slight slope upwards, you can see there, and exhaust pipes, they just sort of clip on there, go past, and then I've got sort of exhaust tips there, both sides, quad exhaust. Yeah, this middle part here is for the license plate, I believe, and I think that's most of everything on the rear. Got this sort of low slung, sporty, curved-ish roof, which gives it a bit more of a lower look and a bit sleeker. And well, both the doors open as well. They do sort of don't quite fit, so you have to push them up and latch them behind this blue rod here, but keeps them shut whilst I'm running around with it, because I do play with it outside. Again, other side, sort of like a weird door latch thing. So yeah, that's that. I won't really put any instructions in, do I? Just my room to myself. But yeah, that is that. So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you like it, or if you have any other building suggestions. I'm open to anything. So yeah, it's been Unwatchable V. Oh, wait, I'll show you after I destroy my car. what the suspension's like. So I did have this quite stiff, but I had to soften it up because it just kept breaking. But yeah, my suspension that I use, just sort of like an extended there. I might go into make an in-depth video on how I make it, what to do for it, what parts you need to make suspension and all that in another video. So yeah, it's been a Watchable V. Goodbye.